Fall cleanup 2023. Here we go, baby. Trimming up these edges with a little weed whacking, getting that shit done. Yeah, it looks so much better when you clean the edges up. Got to clean up around the fruit trees here. Give them a little bit of room to fucking breathe again. They like that. Then we gotta rake up all these little fucking sticks that fell from all these trees for the past, 6 months or so. That's a good fun job, but it looks so much better when you're done. You didn't think you were getting out of this without some humping, did you? I mean, come on. Come on. It looks so much better when it's done, guys. Oh my goodness. This is so worth it. I'm glad that my entire day work can be summed up in this 2-minute video, because I am so happy with this. Walking around this place makes me so proud of what my parents left to us. This is unbelievable. I'm very happy with this. I'm glad that I got the jump on it this year and got it done here before all of the leaves have fallen, because now it's going to be much easier. All I have to do is pick up leaves. I mean, that's pretty fucking simple, right? All the manual labor is pretty much done here. I picked up all the big shit. I still have some trees to cut down and that kind of shit, but that's a whole nother story, right? That's a different project. That's not fall cleanup. That's making a mess and cleaning that shit up. That's what I'm saying. So, for now, this is the best it can be. I love just walking down these pathways and just looking around this place. I really do have a beautiful home. I can't complain here, guys. New Hampshire, absolutely beautiful. I highly recommend it.